am making some pillowcases. Well, not pillowcases, but actually pillows. Hi, I'm Brenda. Sorry, guess I should say this. I am Brenda, and welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my home. This is our guest bedroom, and it is also our sewing room, an embroidery room, and just crafting and you name it. That's what it is. But right now, I am going to, well, I've already got this one sewn. Just got to do the stuffing on it. And then I've got this other, and I'm pinning it to sew. I will go ahead and get this one done, get it stuffed. Then I'm going to take some, look, see this? A yard sale. Christmas napkins for $2. So I'm going to sew those together and have some more pillows. Pillows for days upon our beds. And on, maybe on the couch, but I doubt it. Mostly on the beds, because I love pillows on the beds. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get at this. I'll throw some still photos in for you guys. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe to Nana's Hidden Apron. And then if you like the content, hit the like button for me. And, comment. Give me some comments. Let me know what you think about what I'm doing. It's a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Today just seems to be my crafting day, so that's what I wanted to do. That's what I've done. Had me a bowl of cereal this morning. Piece of cheese for lunch, and hooray, was taken out to eat. It took me to one of my favorite places that I like to go, for fast food, and that's Chick-fil-A, affectionately known as Chick-a-Flicka by me. But if you haven't yet, please do hit that dinner bell there to subscribe, and that way you'll get the hit the subscription button. I'm sorry, and then the dinner bell to get notifications. Sorry, I'm talking too fast. I'm trying to get this done before it gets too late. But let me get this sewn, and I'll get some pictures of me putting the stuffing in them. May even do some video on it too, and some video of me sewing maybe. Let's see. Get back with you in just a few. Alright, and here we go. I like to use pins, but I always seem to hit them too. So we'll pull that one on out. And let's get this started. Hopefully I have good luck with it. Again, let's get it just a little bit farther. Get that down in there like that, and I'm going to lift the foot and leave the needle down, and I'm going to go ahead and turn it so that way I can just keep on going with it, and let's just see what happens. Okay, y'all saw that I'm sewing it, right? I'm going to go ahead and put y'all on hold, stand by, cut it off just a minute, finish sewing it, and then I'll show you how I get it turned right side out. Okay? Be back with y'all soon. Okay, I've got that one sewn, and now I'm going to turn it inside out. A dowel rod comes in real handy for this. This is the way I know how to do it. So if anybody has an easier way, I sure wish you would share it with me and let me know. Because, I mean, you know, I just don't know. This is the only way I know to do it. You start working your thumbs in there and back and forth. Roll it inside out. Or right side out, I mean. Just like this. And then, I mean, you just gotta, you keep pushing it through, feeding it through, until you get it done. Just kind of like this. I'm going to go ahead and finish doing this. And then once I get it all right side out, I'm going to show you how I take this dowel rod and push it through and get those corners straightened out. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Okay. Just like that. Now, I'm going to shake it out. Kind of look at it like this. If I got a little too close to the edge, that's also going to let me know that I need to turn it right inside out again and go back and fix my mistake. So, yeah. You see, you have to leave this little opening here so you can put your stuffing in, whatever you decide to fill it with. And we just get the filler at Walmart. Works just fine for us. You know, you may put down in it if you're allergic to that, or just whatever your choice is. It's your choice. So just whatever you decide you'd like to put in it. I'll tell you something else. You could sew the small things. You know, just do little strips of it, and put you some dried pinto beans in it with a little bit of some clove. Sew it up. Then if you have some pain in your neck or something like that, you put it in the microwave and heat it up for just a minute. Well, not a minute, but like 30 seconds or so. Heats the beans up, heats the clove up. Put your little bit of nutmeg in there too if you want to. It's just, the clove is just for relaxing, to help you relax. Then you have the warmth from the beans, and it'll stay warm for a little while. And it just helps the muscles relax in your back, you know, in your neck and stuff. So, you see that? See how that's pulling through? Just keep pushing it. You gotta be easy with it now. You can't be real hard with it. You just work it through real easy until you get it all the way through and get your corner out. Then you get to start stuffing it. Of course, it's always best to iron them first before you start doing that, but there it is. Oops. Of course I'd pick it up upside down. There. See how it wrinkles it real bad when you turn it right side out? So, that's why you need to iron it before you stuff it. Okay. After I get them stuffed, I'm going to take some pictures of it and let y'all see them, okay? Be back with you? Well, no, I won't be back with you, actually. I think this is going to be my last project for the evening. It is dark 30 here. I don't even know what time it is. I don't even have a clock in here. Isn't that something? I don't put a clock in my guest room. I don't want people to know when it's time to go home. I like company. Okay. Now, you all, I will take some pictures of it when I get it finished and put it on here somewhere. Well, y'all know Tom is my one that does the editing, so he'll put it on here somewhere. But for now, you all take care. Have a good evening. Have a good night. And we will see you all another time. Again, click my subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. I hope you do. Take care. See ya.